Here's Becca. Here's Roger. Becca shares an idea that she has saying, "What if we did this?" as she sketches out her idea. "That's great! We could also add this to it," replies Roger. "Amazing! Yes, and how about we make it do this too?" responds Becca. As you can see, the ideas that each student shares or adds onto is represented with the star in a speech bubble. As the conversation continues, the stars or ideas get larger and larger, representing the growth and continuous improvement in quality and innovativeness of the initial idea. At the end of my drawing demonstration, the two students end up with a huge star, an improved idea that makes Becca look awesome. Plussing is also a great feedback tool. During the prototyping phase, I stop the class and have the students plus each other's prototypes. What makes this tool so effective in building an innovation-friendly culture and learning environment is that it helps students focus on how to improve a prototype, instead of simply thinking about what is wrong with the prototype. If a problem does exist in the prototype, the student who is giving feedback doesn't just communicate the problem to his or her classmate, but also suggests a creative idea that would potentially eliminate or fix the problem. The student receiving the feedback would jot down the suggestion and thank his or her classmate for the feedback. Plussing helps students see feedback as a creative process of learning and improvement.